Good morning, students. Now we are starting with our question number 2 of exercise 7.2. So, question number 2 is you want to show triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. So, this is your triangle ART, and second triangle is given, that is triangle PEN. So, in the question part A, we have, if you have SSS criteria, side criteria, then you need to show what is the value of AR. If we have side criteria, then the value of this AR is equals to PE, the value of this AR is equals to PE, the value of this RT is equals to EN, and the value of this AT is equals to PN. All these three sides are equal. By using SSS criteria, if here the value of this AR will become equals to the value of this PE, the value of RT becomes equals to value of EN, and value of AT is equals to PN. So this is your first part. Next part, if it is given that angle T is equals to angle N, if the value of this angle is given and you have SAS criteria, so side angle side, so in center there is angle, and this is side, this is another side, so this is side angle side angle side. So question is, we have to know the value of RT. So it is clear the value of RT is equals to EN, and second the value of PN, the value of PN is equals to 80. So this value PN is equals to 80, and the value of this RT is equals to EN. So third part is, it is given that AT is equals to PN, ASA criteria. So AT, the value of this side is given, so ASA. So side is in center and it is surrounded by angle. So this is your first angle, this is your side, then this is your second angle. Side angle side angle. So this is your angle, then side, then again angle, means ASA criteria. So here what are the other values that are equal? It means the value of angle RAT is equals to value of angle EPN, and second is the value of angle RTA is equals to the value of angle ENP. So these two are the other conditions. So next question is, you have to show triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. In the following proofs, supply the missing reason. So first is your PM is equals to QARM. So PM is equals to QARM, that is your given in your diagram. So that is your given. Next is angle PMA is equals to angle QMA. So angle PMA is this angle, second is QMA, that is also given in the diagram. Third is your AM is equals to AM. So AM is common to both the triangles, so this is your common. Third is AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. By which criteria? So there are two sides equal and one angle equal. So the criteria is SAS criteria or SAS congruence rule. First two are given, third is common, and last is your SAS congruence rule. So next is in triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 30 degree, angle B is equals to 40 degree, and angle C is equals to 110 degree. In triangle PQR, angle P is 30, angle Q is 40, and angle R is 100. A student said triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruency. Is he justify why or why not? So there are, suppose there are two triangles. First is this smaller triangle A B. Suppose this is the triangle, sorry. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So first angle is A angle is 30 degree, B angle is your 40 degree, and C angle is your 110 degree. So according to students, two triangles are congruent by AAA congruency, but the value of three angles are given equal. So two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. If I take the another figure to be like this, bigger triangle, so angles are same, that is 30 degree, P, second Q, that is 40 degree, third is your 110 degree. So we cannot say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR because they have does not have same size. So this is your smaller triangle, this is your bigger triangle. So now because the two triangles with corresponding angles need not to be congruent, because one of them can be enlarged copy of other. So if one triangle is smaller, then it is possible that other triangle is bigger with same angles as shown in these diagrams. So these are not said to be congruent. Next is in figure two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. What we can write R8E is congruent to. So here first angle A is equals to this. This is two lines. Other two lines are this. Angle A is equals to angle O. Angle R is equals to angle W. Angle T is equals to angle N. So if I have to write in sequence angle R, we have to find triangle RAT. Suppose I write angle R, then it is equals to angle W. Second is your A, angle A is equals to angle O, and last is your angle T, that is equals to N. So this is your triangle RAT, and other sides are also equal, that is AT is equals to ON, AR is equals to OW. So triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON. It is clear from this angle, that is triangle RAT, that is congruent to triangle WON. By which criteria? We know that AAA congruency is not sufficient to describe the criteria. So here we use two angles one side or one side two angle. You can use SAS or ASA criteria. It's your choice, whatever you want to write. So it is congruent to triangle WON. That is your required answer. Next, we will continue tomorrow.